Hi, my name is Helena. I'm going to be talking about birds of prey that are native to New York and eastern North America. So right here I have a lot of different types of birds, some of which you may have seen before, like our bald eagle here, very recognizable. Others, like our little merlin over here, you may not have seen before. But I guarantee you all of these birds are living in your vicinity, and you've probably run into a few of them at least once in your life. You might not have known this though, because one of the adaptations that makes these birds so adept at surviving in their environment is that they all have very unique camouflage. For instance, barred owls here, the bars on their chest. Another example being great horned owls with the bark-like patterning on their backs helps them blend into their forest environments. So if they're perched in a tree or even sitting on the ground with their food, you might not even see them. You could walk right by, you'd never know they were there. And that's one of the things that makes these birds so fascinating, because they are super adept predators. They can catch hundreds and thousands of rodents, small birds, even bugs for some of the smaller species every year, which is why they are super important to have around, because they are huge population managers for smaller species that might become nuisances if they are allowed to overpopulate an area. These birds are amazing predators because, for instance, like our red-tailed hawk here, they have certain adaptations like the ability to clench their talons with a force of up to 200 pounds per square inch, which is enough to break bone in humans, so keep your hands away. While most of these birds are predators, meaning they will catch their prey themselves, some of them, like turkey vultures and even bald eagles, are primarily scavengers, meaning they will find already dead animals like deer or rabbits that have died on their own, and they will feed off of their carcasses. While most birds do not have a sense of smell at all, turkey vultures can actually smell a recently deceased animal for miles away, whereas the rest of these birds mainly rely on their eyesight. While turkey vultures can smell for miles away, most of these birds can see that far. So what you might see through a pair of really high-tech binoculars, these birds can see and recognize in a snap of their fingers. Any questions?
Are any of these species protected?
All of these species are protected. These are all species protected under the Migratory Bird Act, which means you cannot hunt, shoot, or keep them without any sort of special licensing, at least. Anything else?